Welcome to the creation process of a low-poly, low-resolution Dachshund in space, inspired by PlayStation 1 visuals. In this package, you are going to find almost 6 hours of videos of the wholly complete process of this piece. The videos include the modeling, the UV, the textures, including how to make a PlayStation 1 character with separate limbs, and how to export and render in Blender. If you get the premium package, you are also going to get the source files, which are the blend file, the reference pictures, and the texture files. But please note, this is not a course and not a tutorial. The videos have no audio and no commentary. They just include the full creation process of this piece, step by step.